everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 169. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about how people really underestimate themselves and how people really set a small goal and set a low level goal in their entire life. Let's get started. Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Never ever underestimate your process, guys. It's your life. You need to understand. If you are trying to do something, if you are giving your blood, sweat, and if you are shedding that for one particular work, never underestimate that particular thing in your entire life. If you are giving 100% that you really can in your life, never worry about the end goal. You get something out of that particular moment. Trust me, that has happened in my life. It will happen in your life, and you should never worry about the end goal. I'm not telling you that no matter whatever the result is, you should keep on trying, and even though if that doesn't really work, you should keep on trying. No, I'm not telling you that. Think positive in that particular moment. How long can you hold that particular thing in your entire life? You might feel like everything that I have learned until this date, it's completely waste. No, it's not really that. Everything that you get in your entire life is just an experience in your entire life. And just like Steve Jobs says, you don't know where life heads, where life leads you, but when you just connect the different dots in your life, the entire life would be a beautiful picture. That is what Steve Jobs says, and that's 100% right too. Why am I telling you that? In the sense, you can just take my example. I'll give you my example, and you might have tons of examples that I really post. I mean, I'm posting entrepreneur series, so you can go check it out. But the only thing that I really understand is when 5 years back, when I was working in BEL, I just got a glimpse of how people are in a public sector, how rude people are. At the same time, some people were really awesome even in that particular thing. When I consider people are completely underrated, and some people treat some people very low. Even in that particular situation, there were some highly profile people who were treating me as equal as their particular children, their particular son, their particular colleague. But there are different sides for each coin, right? So you need to understand that when you just take positivity from everything, and when you just connect each dot in your life, you get a great picture. And when I just started an internet cafe some 4.5 to 5 years back, what really happened was I literally learned selling, marketing, everything. And if I haven't done that one particular thing, if someone just told me that sell this cell phone to someone else, I would never make a move to talk to some strangers or talk to someone to sell my products. That would have never been happened. But when I just connect all this, the corporate culture, the selling and marketing thing, when other management thing in my college, or when I just started Controver by developing some workshop courses, all that. So when I just connect everything, it is just trying to lead me to another thing. Look at the big picture. You'll try to understand. Look at the big picture that sometimes we never understand where our life is heading. But you need to stay committed with your goals. You need to stay committed with your life goals, that you need to trust the progress. It is your life. You need to trust that saying that it will lead me somewhere else, but it will lead you to a greater progress. It will lead you to a greater point where you feel like, man, this is really awesome. If you just look back that particular day, you'll feel like, if I haven't took that particular risk that day, probably you would have never done this particular thing. So that is how life is. So stay committed and never give up on your goals, end goal, and work continues, and stay committed, guys. Every moment you just do one or the other thing new, you'll be learning different things. So you might look at my particular room. It's no this is my brother's room. So to be true, there's my brother is working in my room. He needs my laptop, work from home, all that happens. So he needs my laptop, he's working over there. I didn't get my room, but I'm just trying to work, trying to record this in my room. I'm learning different things when I'm doing different things. So from past 130 videos, I was recording my videos in my office, in my other office, in my different office. But there would have been an awesome chair and awesome table that would look so fancy. But now I have recorded this video in quarantine. I don't know when this would release, when this would when this would go to live. So when this would go to live, I have no idea. But one thing that I understand is, even in this situation, I wanted to record videos, and this is quite challenging. Sitting in a bed and talking to you guys, this is quite challenging for me. So this is what I feel like. It's really awesome. And yeah, I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my particular episode, guys. You could be the next one who just get featured in my particular podcast. So make sure you comment on my videos, episodes, and pictures. I'll give you guys a shout out. I'll go through your Instagram profile and I'll give you guys a shout out. Until then, it's me signing off from Contra Podcast. Meet you guys in my next podcast. Bye bye, guys. See you at the top.